It is not in me, of me, to kill, but to heal. My nature, if you will, is to fill. My actions within times of war will not be with guns or swords, but with words of resolution, compassionate acts through nonviolent means. My allegiance lies with no country or land of earth, but to the celestial servant king, to every souled being who labors for peace. That is my poem entitled, It is not of me to kill. I wrote that while I was here. I am a pacifist. I'm a worker of peace by nature. I might not seem as such, however, seeing how I'm here in Iraq. But I am. Those at home who know me know this, and I've tried to bring that here because people who work and believe in peace need to be whoever people are. Peace is a very real and tangible thing, and we all should strive for that, and we all should stand behind and embrace philosophies and teachings and things that teach us how to deal with confrontations and with other people other than through violent and aggressive action. If we had learned something from teachers of the past, from Christ, from Mahatma Gandhi, from other people who have been examples of how to deal peaceably with people, differences, even ways of resisting through peace. As an example of Martin Luther King Jr. and others who've fought and worked for civil rights and other important issues of our time. Maybe we wouldn't be here in Iraq right now. You know? If we weren't so quick to engage our acts of revenge, which Christ says vengeance belongs to God, not to us. Maybe we wouldn't be here. Maybe we would have worked another way out for dealing with terrorist activities, for dealing with people that had issues with America in general in the first place, you know? But yeah, I've lived enough of life, I suppose, although I'm still young, to see great advantage in peace and being a pacifist instead of an aggressor, instead of always out to do to others as they have done to us or to me, you know? Do to them as I want them to do unto me, not as they have done unto me. But yeah, other news, on a lighter note, I'm doing a lot of brushing up on some of the old first drafts of some poems I did a while ago. Finally got some stuff printed out and put into my book I have here of my finished completed poems. And yeah, that's really about it. Almost finished my latest reading endeavor, Far from the Madding Crowd by Thomas Hardy. Excellent read, by the way, kids. If you like classical Victorian style literature in that time period. Good shit. But yeah, this has been a pretty contemplative week. The tragedies and whatnot in Virginia, and really all over the places. I have another poem entitled "This Life, Beautiful Tragedy," and I'll read that. I'll read that here soon, and I'll post it here. But yeah, everything that we deal with is in life. I mean, could be described as a beautiful tragedy if you think about it. You have chaos and structure and order and disorder all around you all the time, all kind of working together, sometimes against each other. But somehow through all that mess and madness, we have what we have. We have life, we have existence, we have the created and the uncreated. We have, wow, so much. But that's for another day, another posting. But yeah, it's basically about my views on peace, my views on how I see myself in that regard. That's just a little bit, just a little example. Yeah, shout out to all of those other people out there working for peace, wherever you are. If I can do it here in Iraq, in the midst of hostility and misplaced hatred, and misplaced anger. There's a lot of anger and aggression that I deal with here, mostly on the base, on the posts, and people that I work with, people around me. And I'll post about that soon, I'm sure, too. But yeah, if I can do it here, I challenge all of you, no matter where you are, in your schools, in your workplaces, yeah, it's a good word, in your lives. I mean, if you believe in peace, and believe in positive philosophies, positive worldview that could be good for somebody, share that, don't hide that, don't keep it from people you could be helping, don't keep it from a society that needs help, crying out loud. But yeah, continue enjoying the people and the stories and the videos that I see here on YouTube. They're a very powerful and positive thing for me for the most part. But hey, people share what they feel and what they think and what they want here. And I'm just one of those other people. So, love and peace. Till another day, another posting. Bye bye.